Hi guys, my name is Fanny. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the pronunciation of words containing a silent H in English. And these words are very common. A silent H can be found after another consonant. For example, we have the word ache containing CH, very common combination, and the sound is a hard K, so that the H is actually silent. Sometimes you can find a silent H in the beginning of a word. For example, the word hour. So these are a few examples. There are others. Actually, I have a list of the most common words. So let's get started. Okay, guys, listen very carefully and don't forget, please repeat after me. It's very important that you repeat and practice. Let's get started. Ache, anchor, aghast, archaeology, architect, archives, chaos, character, characteristic, charisma, chemical, chemist, chemistry, chemotherapy, chlorine, choir, cholera, chord, chorus, Christian, Christmas, chrome, echo, exhibition, exhaust, ghost, ghastly, ghetto, ghoul, honest, honor, hour, leprechaun, lock, mechanical, melancholy, monarch, monochrome, orchid, rhinoceros, rhubarb, rhyme, rhythm, scheme, school, stomach, technical, technique, technology, vehicle, what, wheel, when, where, while, which, whisper, white, why. Very good, guys. Let's move on to sentences now. Okay, guys, let's practice pronouncing sentences now. Don't forget, the H is silent. Repeat after me. There are white ghosts and ghouls. It's a ghastly mechanical vehicle. The honest rhinoceros ate rhubarb. She has honors in chemistry and archaeology. Good, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for the video on the silent H. Please don't hesitate, watch the video again if you need to, and keep practicing. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.